In the heart of Lagos, a vision took shape. An emblem of Nigeria's cultural pride, the National Arts Theatre. Built in 1976, the theatre was born out of a grand purpose to host the second World Black and African Festival of Arts and Culture, Festac 77.
Festac 77, the second World Black and African Festival of Arts and Culture held in Nigeria, brought together 15,000 participants from over 70 countries. The National Theatre in Lagos was the scene of many important events throughout the festival. This really got through to the audience, who at the end of this performance went up onto the stage to dance with their brothers and sisters from across the water, a fitting end to a festival which succeeded more than anything else in bringing people together.
The theatre faced some operational and maintenance challenges over time. These issues contributed to the building's gradual deterioration, affecting its ability to fully serve its intended purpose. By the mid-90s, the National Theatre had indeed become a shadow, a stark reminder of what once was. But the story was far from over. With a shared vision, the committee of bankers joined forces not to rebuild from scratch, but to breathe life back into its historic walls. As the sun rises over Lagos, so too does a new dawn for the National Theatre, a masterpiece reborn. Inside its halls, where the echoes of past performances once faded, a new energy now pulses. Every carefully crafted space tells a story of resilience and rebirth. The theatre once again stands ready to host the voices and visions of a new generation. A stage where Nigeria's rich cultural heritage can unfold. This revival is more than a restoration of bricks and mortar. It's about reigniting the flame of our traditions, culture, and arts in the hearts of Nigerians. This is more than a building. It's a promise. A promise that Nigeria's rich cultural heritage will continue to thrive. That the arts will always have a stage. Our stories will be told for generations to come. And that this cultural epicenter will continue to inspire, uplift, and fuel the creative spirit of our nation. its cultural significance, the revival serves as a spark for economic growth, creating jobs, boosting tourism, and energizing the creative industries. The theater once again stands ready to host the voices and visions of a new generation, providing a stage where Nigerians' rich cultural heritage can truly unfold. A beacon of hope where the echoes of past merges seamlessly with the vision of tomorrow.